Yeah, and it's about the communication. I say to the young engineers or the young accountants that come out of universities, is the real skill you need is the art of communication now, because he or she that can communicate and tell a story will be the one that gets the funding,
Absolutely.
or gets the voice across. And deliberative engagement is all about that communication. So let's not stand in front of the community and talk international roughness standards for roads,
Yeah.
or let's not talk NASCO
Mm.
or WASA rating for our underground pipes. Because the community wants to know, will I have water when I turn the tap on? And how responsive will my council be when I have a pothole? Or how can you assure me that my bridges are safe? That's all that really matters. How you transcribe that from an engineering perspective, leave that to the engineers.
Yeah.
And the engineer's job isn't to make or generate more cash or to magically solve the deficit problem. Provide the options to the finance managers for them to come back to the engineers and say, if I only gave you 1.8 million and not 3.6, can you tell me what we can achieve? What else could we trade off so we could collectively take the story to their councillors, who are the eyes and the ears of our community?
Yep.
So this multidisciplinary approach for young practitioners is really critical. And I find the really successful ones are the ones that have the art of communication and the ability to get the story across. Strategic asset management gives you a platform to be able to produce those outcomes.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Well, let's go next step further. Tell me about, it was Dodo Software, wasn't it? The Dodo, the organisation that came in.
Not Dodo, no, Dude.
Jude, yeah, that one. Jude, that's right, Jude Software.
Yeah.
Tell me about that. What happened there?
So we were extremely successful through Brad's great work in North America in 2018, 2019. When I was at the Institute of Asset Management Congress in Chicago, and running master classes in the US at that time, we did get approached by Dude, and it was a great conversation, because Dude, which is now Brightly, back then had a great enterprise maintenance system, but they were looking for an offering in the strategic space. So it made perfect sense in terms of having a handshake or a marriage to bring the two together. And for us, as a small Australian organization with 70 employees here and 15 spread over North America and UK, for us to grow, we needed significant capital. And the only way for us to accelerate the US was to either get external funding, or to look at a potential acquisition. And Dude were a potential acquirer, so we went ahead with that deal in 2020, on the 12th of March, just before the airports closed with COVID.
It's timely, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
So the whole idea was to accelerate and grow into the US using the Dude network and their infrastructure.
Okay. And with that, the passing over of, not necessarily IP, but passing over of the technology and the means by which to tell
Yeah.
it. Okay, cool. All right. And from there, what's happened since then?
So Dude were on an acquisition spree in terms of acquiring the best enterprise systems globally to increase our reach into the wider spectrum. So I'm not sure if you're aware, but Dude also acquired Confirm.
Yeah, I was
Straight
aware of that.
after they acquired Acetic. And they also acquired a number of businesses in Canada and North America in the climate space, in the energy space, and also in the healthcare space, and grew the business to a size in 2022, and mid 2022, the entire Dude business with all these individual best of breed asset management vendors was then acquired by Siemens as part of their smart
That's
infrastructure.
right. Yeah. Yep.
Part of the smart infrastructure. That deal was in August last year, and in September last year, I officially exited the Dude business, or the Brightly business, but stay very aligned and very committed to my aesthetic world, forever aesthetic.
Okay. Enjoyed this video? Press the like button and subscribe. If you'd like to see more, please click on the Patreon link below and sign up.